On this video I'm going to show the procedure for adding a GPS position to the individual RapidSV profiles using the RapidSV software. So I have the RapidSV probe GPS system connected to the laptop here, and I have the RapidSV software running on the laptop. The antenna is connected up out of the picture, so we're receiving a real-time GPS position. We have a USB to serial adapter that's already been configured, and the serial cable connection to the GPS. We have the Veil port USB dongle to communicate with the RapidSV probe already installed and functioning. Now I'm going to show the procedure for setting up the GPS so you can tag each individual RapidSV profile with the proper GPS position at the location of the profile. On the GPS menu item, firstly select the COM port. In this case we have it properly selected on COM46. Then select the communication rate. I know my GPS is set up at 9600, so I need to change this from 48 to 96, so I will just click here, go back in to check it. It's correctly configured. Now I click on the enabled section here, a little mark will appear, so now the GPS is being received in the RapidSVLog software. What we can do now is turn on the probe. The probe's already been configured. It's connected through the Bluetooth dongle at this point. So I click on monitor mode. You can see the GPS position here appears here in this rectangle. Down here we see the commands being sent to the probe and the responses from the probe here. So we're ready to do a profile. What I'm going to do is place the probe in some water so we can get a fake profile, so you can see how the GPS position is added on to the sound velocity file. The probe's been taken out of the water now, so after the 1 minute time's up, the software is going to automatically interrogate the probe, take the profile off, which will include the GPS position at the time the probe entered the water. You can see on the display here on the left, obviously it was just in a bucket of water, so there's no valid data here, but it does show the graphical display of the sound velocity and the drop rate. And for this probe, if you had a temperature sensor on the probe enable, we will have temperature also. Here you can see statistics, maximum sound velocity that was measured on the car's minimum sound velocity, the range between the maximum and the maximum depth. In this case we only reached 0.15 meters, and drop time and the drop rate. That's important when you're reviewing the performance of the probe in deeper casts. You can make sure that everything is consistent with the drop rate that you're expecting. So the GPS position here is continuing to update. So here I have the directory with the RapidSVLog data file. I'm going to open up this text document, and you can see our sound velocity file here. And at the top, in the header, you'll see latitude and longitude. If you don't have the GPS enabled, these two numbers will just be the lat and long that's entered in the manual input on the RapidSVLog software. As soon as you enable the GPS, those numbers, fixed numbers, are replaced by the GPS position at the time when the probe enters the water.